What's up YouTube? Dougie Chong here. Welcome to today's episode where I'll be looking at Coinbase stock. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I've just been taking a short break. Wasn't really enjoying making videos as much, but here we go. So for those of you that don't know, Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange. So they allow normal people like you and me to just buy Bitcoin very easily with things such as their credit card. There are two major advantages that Coinbase has over all other exchanges. The first thing is that they are based in the US. Since the US is a very safe, pretty politically stable country, it's pretty safe to assume that the government isn't just gonna completely destroy the company. The second thing this company has going for them is that they're one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. A lot of cryptocurrency exchanges, they get hacked due to poor security. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, I think he has a lot of security experience. And then just, you have to have built some trust in the past that you're not just gonna take all your customers' money and leave. So those two reasons alone almost allow you to invest in Coinbase without even looking at their financials. Even valuing it something like $100 billion would be fair for something that's essentially the brokerage of the future of money. Of course, if you don't believe in cryptocurrencies, stay well away from the stock. But since I like cryptocurrencies myself, I put a buy order. I bought about 10 shares at $315 today. That values the company somewhere around $67 billion, which again is a lot, but I think is fair for this company. I'll go into more why in a little bit, but basically they turned nothing. Like, there was literally nothing. They built a website. All it does is exchange money, fiat, for cryptocurrencies. A lot of websites do pretty much the exact same thing. They have a few other features going for them. They have their Earn platform, which I talked more about in my previous video. They have staking coming soon, and then they have custodial services, but mostly they just make money from fees from trading. I actually just looked up some numbers really quickly, and just extrapolating from their Q1, they're expected to earn somewhere around $3 billion in profit, which would put their PE ratio at about 30, which really isn't all that much. But cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Dogecoin especially, have been on an absolute tear recently, so I'd be very surprised if it can hold up this types of profits. Again, when we look at when the stock initially IPO'd, it didn't actually IPO, they did a direct listing. I believe if Coinbase went the traditional IPO route, they would have spent a lot of money to these big banks, and I think the price would have been a lot higher than it was. I think we could have seen the first day trading 100 billion right off the bat. Instead, it kind of climbed up there, started somewhere 300 something, went up to 400, I think. And that, when it went to $100 billion, that was a little out of my price range. When it came back down to this 315, I was looking more at 300, but 315 was good enough for me to get in on this stock. A lot of people look at a lot of the founding people, like, I don't really remember their names, probably the Y Combinator venture capitalists. A lot of them sold out their positions, something like 5% of all shares. They just sold out for billions and billions of dollars. But if you look at where they came from, they pretty much invested in nothing. It was just a pipe dream back in 2012. That's when Coinbase started. And now their stake is worth in the billions of dollars to just take some risk off the table, just take some of that money to reinvest into new companies. It just makes sense for these venture capitalists. So I'm not at all concerned that people are taking some profits now. I mean, who wouldn't have invested back then? I mean, I'm sure a lot of people, you wouldn't know that Coinbase would have been the company it is today. But maybe 2016, 2015, the writing was on the wall that Coinbase was going to become a very, very successful company. So in conclusion, I own some cryptocurrencies, I own some mining stocks, which have been on a bit of a down, such as Hive stock recently, so I might continue to buy some more of that. And now Coinbase, which is one of the exchanges. They make money whether Bitcoin goes up or down. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about Coinbase stock. Are you guys buying it? Are you not? Let me know in the comments below. Just wanted to add one more thing before I ended the video. Basically, in terms of my account, I haven't really been buying or selling a lot. I think it's still pretty high. We've seen a slight downturn in the market, but overall, I think the market's pretty frothy overall. Just everything's really high. Some tech things have been coming down a bit, but I haven't really seen many good deals in the market. I might start buying some more Hive soon, but again, I'm pretty at my limit there. I'm gonna be looking for more safer stocks or just being more in cash, but Coinbase is definitely a stock I bought today. As always, have a wonderful day and see you in the next video.